Hello guys, welcome to our online class. It's your favorite tutor, Mr. Kingsley. And so we have a question on the board, division of decimal numbers. 0.1036 divided by 0.028. Now how do we solve this? Alright, let's go. 0.1036 divided by 0.028. Alright, to solve this, we'll have to change them to whole numbers. And to change them to whole numbers, we'll look at the number that has more decimal places and change it first before we work on the other number. And whatever we do on one side, we are going to do the same on the other side. Remember that. Alright, now looking at the numbers up and down, which one has more decimal places? The numerator has more decimal places. Remember, decimal places refer to the numbers that appear after your decimal point. The numbers after the decimal point are 1036. Four numbers. The number after this decimal point at the denominator is 028. Three numbers. So we'll start with the numerator because it has more decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that gives us 1036. All over. We moved up 4 times, so we are going to do the same thing. Down 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, there's going to be a 0 here. That gives us 280. I hope you understand how we have changed these to whole numbers. Now we are going to look for a common factor, a number that can divide both the numerator and the denominator without a remainder. And so, for now, we can start with 4. You can also use 2, but just to make it faster, let's use 4, okay? 4 in 280, so we say 4 in 28 is 7, and 4 in 0 is 0. And then coming to the numerator, 4 in 10, that gives us 2, remainder 2. In 23, that gives us 5, remainder 3. In 36, right, that gives us 9, okay? Now, we'll look for another factor that can divide the numerator and the denominator. Let's go with 7, okay? Why am I using 7? Because I'm trying to make the denominator become 10 or 100, as the case may be. Here, we are going to have to make it 10. So, to make the denominator 10, I'll have to divide by 7. 7 in 70, that gives me 10. And then 7 in 259. Okay, so we say 7 in 25. That gives us 3. Remainder 4. In 49, that gives us 7. So we are having 37 over 10. Do you understand? Now, with 10 as my denominator, it's very easy to leave my answer in decimal because that's what is expected, okay? So, as I'm cancelling the 0 here, there's a decimal point here, I'll move it to the left once. If I cancel 2 zeros, I'll move it twice. But since I've cancelled once, I'll have to move it just once, okay? And my answer becomes 3.7. I hope it's easy. Feel free to subscribe and comment and also share my video. Thank you very much.